Now once you're on the home page, all you have to do is click on the apps option right over here, and then just simply choose AI powered right over here, and you will find the 3 top options right over here, which is going to be DALL-E, Image and Magic Media. Now these 3 are the best AI image generator tools that you can find in Canva. Now they are all created by different platforms, but the one that I'm going to show you today in this video is the one that is created by Canva itself, which is also known as Magic Media. So if you click over here, you will find that it is created by Canva itself. And DALL-E over here is created by OpenAI, and Imagine over here is created by Google, as you can see right over here. Now it is totally up to you which one you want to use, and the functions and the process is basically same in all of the generators. So just simply pick one and use it. So I'm going to use this one over here, and then just simply click on use in a new design. And after that, just simply choose a place where you want to use the image generator. So I want to use the image generator for an Instagram post that I'm going to upload. So I'm going to choose Instagram post and a square format as well, which is going to be 1080 by 1080, as you can see right over here. So click on that, and now a new post should be created right over here. So wait for a few seconds over here, and now you should find the new image tool over here at the very left hand side column. But for some reason, if this does not pop up in your screen, go to apps, and then just simply search for the application over here, and it should appear right over here. Click on that and choose the application right over here. Now this way you will be able to get the application. And now after you have the application, it's time to create your first image. So right over here, you will have the option to add as much detail as you possibly can, because the more detail you will enter, the clear and the better image you will get. So let me give an example. So right over here, I'm using this prompt. Now, as you can see, I have added a lot of details, as you can see right over here. Now, after that, what you have to do is you have to choose a style. Now you can click on the see all option to see all the styles that are available in Canva. So what I want is the color pencil over here. So I'm going to choose this option. Now just simply choose the aspect ratio that you want. So for me, it's going to be an Instagram post. So I'm going to go with the square over here. But if you want, you can go with landscape, portrait. And if you want, you can also make a custom size. Now choose the aspect ratio and click on generate image. And now it will give you 4 variants that you can use, and if you like one of them, you can just simply drag and drop onto the main canvas over here. So just simply wait for a few seconds. So as you can see right over here, it gave me the image that I was looking for. Now you will have 4 variants, as you can see right over here. And the variant that you want, you can just simply click on that and it should automatically be on your canvas, as you can see right over here. And let's say you like any one of these images and you want to see variants of that exact image style. So let's say I want to see variants of this exact image style. So what you have to do is click on the 3 dots over here and click on generate more like this. Now it will give you 3 more variants which will be looking exactly like this one over here, but will have slight differences, as you can see right over here in the image. So again, if you like an image, just simply click on it and it will automatically be transferred onto the canvas. Now let's say you don't like the style over here and you want to change the style. It's a very easy process. All you have to do is come down over here, click on select all option and choose the style that you want. So let's say you like neon or you want filmic. Just simply choose your style and click on generate again, and it will again give you a few variations with the exact prompt used earlier, as you can see right over here. And again, if you like any of them, click on that and it will be transferred on the canvas, as you can see right over here. Or if you wanted completely different type of image generation, like for example a mockup, so all you have to do is just simply type the command over here, like for example 3D iPhone mockup from the side. Be as specific and clear as you possibly can, because that will help the AI to create better images. Now click on see all, and for this I'm going to choose 3D. Now click on generate again, and now again wait for the variants. So as you can see right over here, our mockup is ready. So again click on the image and it will be on the canvas over here. So that's how you can create images using the AI image generator in Canva. So if you want to subscribe to Canva, you can get the link in the description box below. And if this video was helpful, please subscribe and like the video.